My name is Anna. I live in Virginia, so that's a place where you can experience 4 seasons in 1 week. So, off the bat, 3 things I like about ABA is that its effectiveness. If you're able to understand what's triggering or what they're trying to communicate with their behavior, then you might be able to help them give the services that they need. And the diverse community. I don't. So not only people with disabilities, but people who dealing with tough situations, and how they're showing certain behaviors or is triggered to certain things. If you're understanding that, you may be able to help them. That could be from people are dealing with addiction or tough situations where, like, for instance, they're separated from their family for a long period of time, and then they're recently getting back together and they're sharing certain behaviors. Um, Also, it does help with animals too. If your job or if you have pets, ABA could help them have better behavior so they can have better life. And it's the science, so there's data backing it up. And if there's enough funding, then you could set up services for those people, all those animals that need it. 2 things I want to know about ABA is uh, basically how to ask better questions from the get-go. So basically, when you're starting out, how to know if the question you're going to ask to get the answer, it's going to be helpful for that person. And I'm still learning the vocab. I mean, saying it properly. So if you guys have any tips on how to know where that balance is, or you want to be professional, but you don't want to down talk to people, especially when they're in a sensitive situation. Yep. And this one little interesting fact is I'm a painter, drawer. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for your time, and can't wait to work with you guys.